First of all, a very happy Vasant Panchami to all of you. माँ सरस्वती आप सबको आशीर्वाद दें and blessing you all for your exam so that you can perform well in your exam. Happy Vasant Panchami to all of you. Talking about this class, in this class we will know about Microsoft Access. So let's start. I just introduce about the Microsoft Access, a little bit of the introduction. Second, in this session we will just create a database. In the database we will create tables. Fine. After then we will know how to insert data into a table. So let's start. First one is Microsoft Access introduction. What it is? Microsoft Access, it is an example of RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System, in which we create the database, and in the database we just insert the data, different kind of data we will create and insert into the database. This is a little bit introduction of Microsoft Access. Next one is, let's understand how to create tables in a database and how practically we will use it. So you just on your, first of all you need to open the Microsoft Access. For this you need to go to the right click on your desktop option, or go on the new, then you will see Microsoft Access database. If you have installed Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Office, have you worked over the Microsoft Word document, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft Excel worksheet? If these software is installed, then definitely you have the Microsoft Access database in your PC. So just double click on it. Microsoft Office. Here you will get, when you open, then you will get something, this is something like this window. Then you have to move on to the file. In the file you after then you can give the field name is city. What is the data type of city? Is text. Then you can give the phone number, phone number must be in digits, so its data type is number. Then give the field name is house, green house, yellow house, so it should be must be the text value. Okay, or if there any field name you want to give, you can add as many as types of field, and accordingly you should give the data type. Okay, so I just say this and right click on this student table and open this. This window will come that is ask for, do you want to save the table now? Press on yes. So this is your table is created. Now see, here is the table name student, and here the field name that we have defined, and their data type, just like roll number, name, city, phone number, house, etc. So roll number I have given the auto number, so it will give the auto number. Suppose name I have given Amit, city suppose Kanpur, phone number could be any digit, I just put on 999. Okay, house, let's say it's asking for two value number, so I just give fine. Then house, suppose it house has red. Now next one is suppose next one is Anand, city suppose Jaipur, and number is suppose okay, and house suppose blue, it has the blue house. After that we just give the any next name Priya, it is Mumbai, phone number could be anything, and then it is a house suppose green. Next name you can give the John, it is Delhi, number could be anything, and house suppose yellow. In the same way you can give any name, suppose I have just put it my entity Mahendra, it is Kanpur, number could be thing, and the house is green. We have created this table. Okay, now you can see this is your table, and you can see the design view. Suppose in the further moment you can want to add any new field name, and corresponding you can add, you can change the database also. I have just put it on address. Okay, I want to add one new full field address, and here you can get text, or you can get the memo as a database, because it memo kind of database when you have to insert very large amount of data, or you can simply get the text. Now open that data again, it's want for save the table now. Yes, now see their addresses are empty because you have just entered the address field. So accordingly you can update address. Suppose address is xyz with address is pqr, anything could be anything, and Priya address is could be anything, abc, something like that. XPC, and my address is suppose could be anything. Okay, so later on you can change the data into a table. So this is how we can work on the MS Access. Now you can save this. At the left corner you will get this view option. In the view option you will get the data sheet view. This is the view called as data sheet view, and at the last you will get the design view. In the design view you have to give the field name and their corresponding data type. And suppose in later on you can add any type of field, you can add and corresponding their data type. When you want to see, just right click on this student table or double click on it, you will see your table is in front of you. So this is how you can create a table. First of all, you have created a database. In the database you have created a table student, and in the student table you have the different field value, roll number, name, city, phone number, house, address, as many as you want. And this is how you can insert the data. So I think now you have the clear idea how to work on MS Access and how to insert the data, how to create the table. So that's all for this session, everyone. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. If you have any query regarding to the MS Access, and the next video will be of your SQL query manually. But in the next video I will show you how to create the database, how to insert the data into a table with the help of SQL query. So next video going to be pretty most important. You should watch that video and this video also. Thank you so much. Happy Basant Panchami to all of you.